Alright guys, so for those of you that don't know, we live in the Kansas City area and we are going to, or we just arrived at the MODOT, Missouri Department of Transportation's big truck event. Alright, here we are.
I can't see you.
What do you think of that, Brody?
Do you guys want a picture with I want to go over there. I want to hug it.
You want to hug it? Okay, well let's wait your turn, okay? Okay. Alright, we're here and it's freezing, just saying. I told the kids, make sure you take your jackets. And Serenity and I did not bring our jackets. It's cold. And neither did Andy.
But Dad's
we're so
like
smart, aren't we? Anyway. Brody, what do you want to go look at?
Check them out, Brody. Check them out.
You want to go look at that one? Okay, we're going to go look at this truck. Let's go. The John Deere four-wheeler? That's the truck you want to see.
That'd be me.
Okay, great. Here we are. Whoa. Look at you. Smile. It's okay, that's good. Okay. Look at Sissy.
Yeah, you can sit down.
Come take a video of us.
I am right now, Kevin. Brody. Look at that machine behind you. Look at that big old machine behind you.
Well, we get it on there. We have to lift one in like.
They must put a dummy in there and then they slam it.
This says, remember, this ride is voluntary. This is a ride for people.
This is a ride? What?
Oh, to convince them to wear seatbelts.
All right,
I mean,
come
I
on.
need. Oh my gosh! What the hell?
Holy crap! What was that?
What was that? I'm pretty sure I legit just died inside.
Okay, we have no idea what that was, and I don't know if you could hear it, but it was a loud, loud boom. Loud bang?
Yeah.
Was that cool?
Yeah.
Was it a little scary?
Like this.
Woo! Yeah. It was a little scary, huh? We are on our way over to see the Bomb Squad truck. Boom. I'm telling you, that boom earlier, I was recording when it happened, so I'm not sure if you guys got it or not, but it was pretty loud. Come to find out, I think they were shooting off some sort of fireworks maybe to resemble an explosion.
Can I say something?
They did something cool. Anyway, what are you thinking, Kaiden?
Okay, well, it's really fun, but the thing is, somewhere down here, there were things that, they were exploding. It was so freaking
that's
loud.
what I was just talking about. It was loud. It was loud. It legit scared us. What is this vehicle? Is there like a name for this one?
It's called a Bearcat.
Bearcat? Okay.
Yep.
All right, we're in the Bearcat. He was saying it's a newer vehicle, so they cannot go in, but they can sit and get a picture.
Wait, can you
It's
take
the driver.
Just you?
What do you think of that thing, dude?
This is a
Do you know what that does? Do you know what the bomb robot does?
Yep.
Ask him what it does.
What is the bomb robot?
We use it for searching inside of houses or buildings for stuff that's dangerous, and then we use it to move that to a safe spot.
Cool. That way a human
Something
person
that
doesn't get hurt. Huh?
nobody lives in. You have to put the bomb in.
No, they don't put the
we
bomb
take it out.
in.
We take it out.
They don't put bombs in. They get rid of
We
bombs.
take it out.
They take it out, so,
like
it doesn't
we would
hurt
take it out
anybody.
of maybe this building, and then we take it to the landfill and we slow it up there.
Wow. I bet that's kind of cool.
What was it they were blowing
In a
up
way.
over here?
Some watermelon.
Oh, we missed a watermelon being blown up. That's pretty cool. It'd be cool to make one of these, huh?
We fill it with water, we put a black shotgun round on back there. The water comes out really fast, and then it tears open the backpack or the box.
Gotcha.
Pretty cool. Pretty cool stuff, huh?
They have to wear if they have to go in and
Shoots
find a
water
bomb.
out really fast. And
Protect their
it tears
bodies.
open the package, so whatever
I wish you could touch the
start to pull
bomb.
it out. And this
You don't want to touch a bomb.
You don't want to touch a bomb.
We try not to touch it. You're allowed us.
Robot.
Oh, the bomb
can
robot.
As long as you don't pull these out,
Yeah.
you're not gonna hurt. I promise you're not gonna hurt. You're okay.
It's got to be tough so that it can be around
If it
bombs.
can be broke, we've already done.
Yeah, I'm
For the
sure.
most part.
I'm sure.
It could be broken. It would be broken by now.
Yeah. But luckily we're okay at fixing them. We do break them on occasion. Like that big one, I rolled it down a flight of stairs one time and broke it, so I had to put it back together.
Nice. All right, what's he gonna do? He's gonna go looking for something.
For his keys.
Oh, he dropped his keys.
Yeah,
He's
he threw his
trying to
keys
find
over
Now, which way's the wind blowing? Okay. Now, did you all see that? Show me. Show me. Show me. Now, the wind's blowing this way, so when he's over here looking, there's no way for him to pick it up. As soon as he passed here, you saw real quick that he flipped around, and then you saw it. He stands here and parks and acts like a fool. Let me know here. This is where the keys are located.
Oh, he's
Good.
Good job.
Strangely enough, they actually do a lot of looking for keys, finding officers' lost flashlights.
Dog's gonna go find the drugs now. There he goes. That's right where they are.
Now he's being obnoxious because this is the demo, so he's barking. Barking is not what he's supposed to do. So, now kids, how many of your teachers give you 100% on your papers if you don't do your work? You don't get 100%, right? You don't get rewarded until you do what you're supposed to do. So he's being obnoxious. So wait. Are you going to show me? Show me.
He's telling him he's being obnoxious. He's showing. Oh, now he's showing him. Good boy. Oh, he's so cute. Now he's gonna reward him because he's actually doing what he's supposed to be doing. He's showing. Good dog. Okay. He wants his treat or his reward. They're very protective dogs.
No problem.
You take a
I'm
picture?
gonna get on first if I can.
It's not a.
Brody, look at me with a really angry look.
Turn the wheel, just.
Brody, look at me with a really angry look. Angry.
Angry? Why? Oh my goodness. Okay. Yeah. Okay, it's not the horse.
Daddy's riding the horse.
Oh, we got the lights on. I think you accidentally pushed the button. Careful. Cool. All right, cutie.
Alrighty, what you guys
What do you tell him?
Thank you.
Bye. Have fun,
Thank you,
guys.
sir.
Have a great day riding.
It's really cold. What do you think, Soren? Having a good time? It was pretty cool. There's quite a bit of cool
fun. There are a
stuff.
lot of cool stuff that I didn't even know existed
Yeah.
here.
Yeah. So really, we haven't really saw a whole lot of the trucks that do like the road work and stuff, but I think the bomb stuff was really cool. That was really
the bomb
cool.
thing was really cool.
Look at that action. Look at that action. It's changing colors. Now it's white. Oh, it says arrive alive.
All right, dude, come on. Oh, you can't come way up there. Oh, okay. Come on. Nice. Come over there. Oh!
It's the same as
Try harder. Oh, you don't. It's boiling. Ah, nice, dude. Nice.
Oh, yeah, had a skateboard.
I'm like, do a backflip. At least I was trying to beat him and turn on. I'm going to be a challenge. Look at the steering wheel. Let's do it this one.
All right, we're in the road sweeper truck, I guess.
Oh, okay.
Boys, smile. Boys, smile, Kaiden.
There are 2 steering wheels.
Look, guys, look, guys.
Here, guys, wave. Hey. Kaiden and Brody.
Let's go, come on, bro.
Kaiden.
I got you.
So it is the end of the night. We are ready to say goodbye, good night. We are ready to cuddle up in covers and say good night. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We had a lot of fun. Did you have a lot of fun looking at all those cool trucks? Yeah, it was a good time. I know we had a really good time. So I hope you guys enjoyed what you got to see. Make sure you thumbs it up, Brody. Thumbs up.
Yeah.
Thumbs up. Whoop. So, like, comment, and be sure to subscribe. All right, see ya. Thanks, guys, for watching. Anybody that's out there watching, thank you. Weirdo, say bye.
Bye.
See you later.
Let's go, Royals. Let's go.